Business users don't open dashboards to browse. They open them to answer. Where's the biggest problem? What needs attention now? What can wait? Sorting is how dashboards answer these questions silently. Both of these tables show the same data. Only one of them helps a business decide where to act. Alphabetical sorting feels logical and fair, but it answers a question business users are not asking. No leader asks, which electronic product sold first alphabetically? In Power BI, sorting is a design decision, not a formatting choice. It decides what the user sees first, second, and third. For review dashboards, sorting by impact is usually the right default. Biggest gaps deserve the most attention. Direction answers good or bad. Sorting answers how much. Keep these concepts separate. Ranking is about focus. Top-end views help users act without being overwhelmed. Alphabetical sorting is fine for lookup tables, but dashboards meant for decisions need prioritization. When sorting and visual cues align, dashboards guide attention naturally, without instructions. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your data into actionable insights. Your learning journey doesn't have to end here.